a tune they've played called the Hornpipe Swing. All the sailors think it's the cutest thing when the captain and his mate begin to syncopate. It's all together with the hornpipe swing when the seas run high and the wind begins to blow. The skipper sings with the hidey-ho, but the crew all sing, cut it out whole thing. And let us have a chorus of the hornpipe swing. The boatswain's pipe is playing. Yo-ho-ho, when the bottle of rum, what are the wild waves saying? Bee-bee-bee-bee-bee-bee, here they come. All aboard they shout to the rhythm of the beat, 'cause it's in their bones and it's in their feet. They forget their blues and begin to sing. Come on, my lucky lads, and do the hornpipe swing.